Hello students, welcome to the class on Principles of Management. My name is Rishi Chakravarti and I am Assistant Professor in the Department of Management of Assam Downtown University. In the previous presentations, I had discussed about the different levels of management, that is the top level management, middle level management and the lower level of management, and what functions they perform. And by now it is clear the different types of management that are prevalent across all different organizations. Of course, the level of hierarchy may vary from organization to organization. So from the above discussion, it can be concluded that managers at different levels in an organization perform different roles so that the work process can continue smoothly in order to meet the long-term objective. While the top level managers prepare the plans and strategies for the long-term period, the middle level managers assist the top level managers by providing them with valuable advices. The lower level managers are those who actually execute the strategies that and are in direct contact with the clients and work towards the fulfillment of the organizational goals. Therefore, it is seen that every manager at different levels have to perform and involve themselves in their own work and activities with the objective of fulfilling the long-term vision of that organization. And it is this collective effort of all the three levels of management put together that decides the growth and development of any organization. Thank you very much.